I was losing $1,300 and every year to credit card debt. In the next 3 minutes you will know exactly. 1. How to make extra cash. 2. How to invest it. 3. How to save $312 and per month. You are struggling to pay bills. I made $2,500 and in 1 month selling print-on-demand shirts from home. You can start by researching designs today. But here is what nobody tells you. Most print-on-demand platforms take a big cut. You can save $120 and per month by using your own designs. You want to invest but think you need a lot of money? I invested $500 in print-on-demand and made $1,200 in 2 weeks. You can start by investing $100 and today. Stay for tip 3. It is the one that changed everything for me. You are tired of living paycheck to paycheck. I made an extra $1,000 in per month by selling print-on-demand shirts on multiple platforms. You can add an extra platform today. But here is what nobody tells you. Starting an online store can be expensive. Start your online store free for 3 days at shopify.pxfio/jkzjqn. You can save $650 in per month by using print on demand and investing. I post every Tuesday so you never miss a money tip. Subscribe now.